there's something in my eyeball.
She has something in her eyeball. I'm gonna put this at the end for the bloopers.
Ah. Okay. Ow. All right.
What's up, guys? David Falla here. I'm here trying to record with Steph, but you know how that goes. So today we're going to talk about 3 innovations of the barber industry. 3 things that have changed our lives and makes our lives more productive, I guess, in the barbershop. So let's go ahead and start. So the first thing we're going to talk about, it's going to be cordless clippers. Honestly, cordless clippers changed the barber game for me. I used to obviously use corded clippers, and they were horrible. You guys don't understand how bad it is to try to cut a kid, and the kid will pull on the cable, and it just became a mess with cables all over the place, like machines hanging everywhere, and it was just a mess. So since cordless clippers got invented, obviously it's so much easier. They're lighter. You can work around. You don't have to like kind of turn the client. You can just walk around the client. It just makes it so much easier. So if you are one of those old school barbers that are still using corded clippers, I recommend you to get one of the new cordless clippers. They're amazing. They have the same power and they will do exactly the same thing, but it will make it a lot easier for you.
A good new innovation for me would be shaving gel. So before shaving gel, you had to literally take your water bottle and spray your client in the face in order to do their lineup. Or you could just take the shaving foam and put it all over their face, but then you can't even see through it. So shaving gel makes it so that you don't have to dry shave, you don't have to spray your client in the face, and you can still see your lineup that you're trying to do.
The third innovation is going to be the power clips. You guys have been asking me in every single video, like what are these little things at the bottom of the machine? They're called power clips by Tune 45. Pretty much it's a receiver, so you can wirelessly charge your clipper. You put it on the bottom. They make different ones for different clippers, and all you gotta do, I'm gonna show you. Put it on your station, and then it just charges the clipper without you having to connect the cable. So I think this is amazing. It keeps your station organized, and it also avoids you having all those cables like laying around everywhere, like some people that I know. Looking at Steph right now, but yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys how it actually works.
So those are 3 innovations that have helped us in the barbershop. If you guys can think of any more, leave a comment below. If you can think of anything else that has changed the game for you, or yeah.
And guys, don't forget to follow Steph. I'm gonna leave her Instagram. Oh, you can even see me. Her Instagram right here in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up if the video was helpful, and helpful. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.